Hello, ano pong pangalan mo?
Ako po si Brian Shane Karaig po.
Saan ka palaging kumakanta?
Actually po may family band po kami. Doon po ako madalas kumakanta kasi napapractice po ako ng mga kuya ko, cousins, tsaka tito po. Actually may video po ngayon.
Oh.
Ayan. Sige, panoorin
This just
natin.
in. Wow. The whole family.
To watch the full video, visit their official YouTube channel. Pinramon. This is Oo by Up Dharma Down, one of my most favorite bands.
Yes.
Yung boses ni Army kasi iba yung character eh.
Opo.
So every time na may binibitawan siya, kailangan mong abangan. Ang dami niyang binibigay.
Opo.
So pag hindi mo binibigay kung ano yung binibigay ng kanta, mahirap siyang tanggapin. And when I heard you sing that song, sobra akong na-happy. Ganun na yung mga choices mo. Even yung sa-na-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. May tendency kasi ang madaming tao na dahil mabilis, mauuna. Pero ikaw, nilatag mo siya ng maganda. Hindi mo siya pinabayaan na para mas magtunog magaling, kailangan mas mabilis. Hindi.
Thank you po.
I am so pleased with that performance. I'm so happy. Yun yung dahilan ba't ako umikot. Kasi I see myself in you. So I hope you choose me para matulungan kita kung ano yung mga pwede pa nating gawin, ano pa yung mga songs na pwede nating gawin. Congratulations, Brian.
Thank you
Ana.
po so much.
Hi, Brian.
Hello po.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Three-chair turner. And yes, Brian, yung umpisa mo, no, it was a little shaky. Pero once you got into the song, it was perfect, right? Nahuli mo na lahat, eh. The emotion, the way things were supposed to fall into place. Ready ka na, eh. Simple as that. So, along the way, di mo alam baka magkita ulit tayo.
Nako.
Right?
Magkikita lang, pero di mo kasama.
And I can hear the experience na you play with family, with a band, andyan na eh. So, game ka na, ready ka na. So, I'll see ya.
Thank you po.
All right.
After hearing Coach KZ, lahat ng sinabi niya sa'yo, parang feeling ko andito ako pang parental guidance lang. Pero dahil umikot ako dahil I feeling ko may experienced na singer nandito na sa stage. Parang you've done this before many, many times. I'm excited for what you can do for me. But I have a feeling I know where you're going.
Don't say that.
Tapos ang ending nito, pag hindi na naman ako pinili, ako din yung heartbroken. So,
Well, I'm starting the drama now. You have to make your decision. I just want you to know that I believe in you and there's a place for you on my team. Okay?
and Team Supreme.
Here we go.
Ang coach po na to ay idol ko rin po dati. Kinakanta ko po yung mga kanta niya sa mga contest.
Well, that's not me. That's for sure.
Dati ang sinabi.
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach ay si... KZ po.
Just in case.
No worries.
Alam mo, sobrang paborito ko yung kantang yun, Brian. Welcome to Team Supreme. You're an amazing singer. Excited pa ako sa mga kakantahin.
Duet!
Gusto mo bang duet tayo?
Sige po.
Oh, game daw, duet daw.
Naiisip kita, baka sakaling lang naisip mo ako.